Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix Widgetable app not working. So there might be various reasons why your Widgetable application is not working. The first reason might be because your application is not updated. In that case, what you have to do is update the application. So simply launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Widgetable. Now you can see over here you'll be able to find the results. Find the option for Widgetable and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now you can see two options over here, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, your application will be updated and your problem should be fixed. But if your application is still not working, it might be because of the cache. In that case, you'll have to clear the cache. So what you have to do is simply launch open app library, find the application for Widgetable and long press on it. Now tap on the option app info. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Find the option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache and the cache of your application will be cleared and your problem should be fixed. But if your application is still not working, the problem might be in the application itself. So in that case, simply uninstall the application and reinstall it. After that, your application should work. But if the application is still not working, the problem might be on your device. So in that case, simply restart your device. Simply long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. Now your problem should be fixed and your application should start working. So that is how you fix Widgetable app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.